What is up, people? This is Kamleya, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today we have Reebok sneakers. Like, I have not done Reebok haul in a long time, and now I got a chance to do it because I got some great deals on Reebok under 2000 rupees. Yes, and some of them are under 1500 rupees as well, like around 1500 rupees. So I thought, why not share that with you guys, because a lot of times you guys keep asking me about sneakers under 2000 rupees, and that is the reason I had to come up with this. So here are 5 Reebok sneakers under 2000 rupees. Let's go. So now starting with the first sneaker on this list, it is from Reebok. This comes in this pretty cardboard box from Reebok. I don't know, I don't like this box, but yes, we have to talk about the sneakers, so let's go. So this is Reebok COURTSWIFT, a full clean white leather upper sneaker from Reebok. It has that huge Reebok logo printed on the side in that blue color, and it looks like someone has drawn it, and that is a super cool detail in my opinion. This sneaker also has that Reebok branding on the tongue in red and on the back heel in that same exact red. This sneaker also has that blue outsole, and that is what makes this sneaker very interesting. It is pretty clean, just this detail which has Reebok written here and blue details, like it feels like someone has drawn it with a marker. And rock this sneaker with blue denims, black denims, anything, any cargo, something like that. And this sneaker fits true to size, good in comfort, because this sneaker has memory foam in it, and that is the reason it is pretty comfortable. And this sneaker costed me, I loved the price on this because it just costed me 1520 rupees. Yes, 1520 rupees. I told you guys, right? Great pair at this price point. Do let me know what you guys think about it. Okay, now we have got a very interesting pair on this list. This is my favorite sneaker on this particular list, and I would definitely love to have this pair in my collection as well, because this is that good. Trust me, I personally liked this pair for multiple reasons. Like, I liked this pair because of the price point, I liked the pair because of the way it looks, and at this, like, I'll unbox this, then we'll talk. Let's go. So this is Reebok Bespoke, a full nubuck upper sneaker with hints of leather on the toe guard and on the back heel. I just love the color combination on this pair. That green, that brown, the hints of orange, that black panels, some lines of white, everything on this sneaker goes very well with each other. They have used a lot of different colorways, but still it feels very subtle, very minimal pair, but it is not. It is very interesting in my opinion, and I loved it, man. Like, being very honest, very honest, I try to be very honest. I do not want to fake it. Neither Reebok has sponsored this video, so I'll just trying to tell you guys that you can have a great pair at this price point. And just one thing, if in case you like this pair and if you are thinking of buying it, buy it right now, because I got it at a great price. The sneaker right now when you're watching it is at a great price, and only few sizes were left, like 2 to 3 sizes were left, I believe, but I think you should check it right now. But yes, this sneaker fits true to size, very good in comfort, because this sneaker has Ortholite memory foam in it. I got this sneaker for 1531 rupees. So just imagine 1500 rupees, because people I see spend 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 on fakes, and you can get this clean, beautiful, very nice Reebok sneaker under what, 1500 rupees. So great value for money sneaker. This is my favorite sneaker on this list for a reason, so check it out if you want to. Now moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and this comes in this Reebok standard box. So this is a very unique kind of a pair, not unique, but a very different. I don't know how many people will like it, how many people won't like it, but let's see the pair. So this is Reebok Elite Stride, a full nylon mesh upper sneaker with hints of that synthetic white leather on the toe guard, on the side panels, and on the back heel. This sneaker looks very much inspired by a Onitsuka Tiger. For some reason it has that same kind of a vibe, but this sneaker is a bit chunkier than that. This sneaker also has that thin, very thin outsole, midsole, whatever you want to call it, and that is the reason I say this sneaker is very much inspired by Onitsuka Tiger. Just look at the size of the midsole on this. Like, it is this, like half an inch maybe, because any sneaker you take, just look at the outsole. Like, just have a look at the outsole, midsole, and just look at the size of that. Like, it is half of that. Just look at that, you'll understand. Yes, this sneaker is pretty weird. but interestingly very good as well. Not very good, but yeah, someone can rock it day in day out. Very easy to slide on and all of that. Very lightweight, like very lightweight pair, trust me on this. And I love the gum bottom on this as well. Like, I just look at this. And the most important thing I liked about the sneaker is the comfort on it, because this sneaker has a memory foam. And see, I told you guys, both the sneakers, I guess all of the sneakers on this list has memory foam in them, but this one has a different kind of a memory foam. Just look at this. You can have a look. This is really nice. Like, I don't know how to explain this. I won't be able to explain this in words, but it is squishy, but not like oof, done. It is not like that. You know, there is something under your feet to support your feet, and that is how good this is. And just look at this memory tech massage, whatever they have included, the boils here, the small this, maybe it is for the acupuncture or acupressure, right? Sorry. So whatever that is, but yes, I loved the insole in this. Like, very nice insole. I loved it. And yes, sneaker is very lightweight, like extremely lightweight sneaker. And but yes, this will get dirty very easily. Like, the first time you wear it, I feel this will get dirty because of the mesh upper on it. Like, it is very dirt attracting, dirt magnet, you can say. But yes, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here. And this sneaker will cost you 1777 rupees. That is what I paid. But I don't know how many people will like this pair, but I feel pretty interesting pair. Feels like a Onitsuka Tiger. Obviously, there is huge differences in the price and the looks and all of that. But yes, if you like it, you can check it out. Coming to the next sneaker on this list, I am going to do a very quick unboxing of this, because I have shown this sneaker to you guys multiple times now. In the last video as well, I had shown you guys this pair, I believe. I don't remember, but now the prices have changed, and again, it was a Reebok sneaker, so makes sense to show a Reebok pair. So let's see this pair. So this is Reebok Active Stride. Again, a nubuck upper sneaker in that very clean, very simple black and white colorway with hints of beige on the PUMA side stripes. A very versatile pair, like very versatile pair. You can wear this with everything. Very clean. Again, looks very much similar to this. In the first thought, even I thought I have bought the same sneakers. Just look at them. Like, they have all the same details, but there is some differences here and there. And but I got this pair again for a great deal, like this color, and there is one more gray in this. Like, it is again gray but a lighter shade of this, and you can get that one for 1200 rupees. Like, just look at the prices, man. Like, Reebok sneakers at 1200 rupees. Amazing prices, man. I wish I had knew all of this kind of stuff back in my college days or my school college days, because I have paid 2,500 rupees for fakes. Like, I have done that because I never knew like we can buy something like this. If I would have known you can get something for 1,200 rupees that time, I would have bought it, definitely bought it. And this one, I would have definitely bought this pair. Like, great pricing. So yes, do let me know what you guys think about this pair as well. Now coming to the last sneaker on this list, and trust me, I am not a fan of this sneaker, but the reason I am unboxing this, okay, I'll show the box, then we'll talk. Let's go. So this is Reebok COURTSWIFT Jazz, a full synthetic white leather upper sneaker with hints of black leather on the toe guard, on the side strips and on the back heel. It also has that white Reebok plastic strip running around the ankle area. You can just have a look at that, the heel ankle area, and that is an interesting detail on this pair. Being very honest, I am not a fan of this. I wouldn't wear this pair, but there are people who want to try some high top sneakers or something like that, or mid top sneakers, and they want to have a black and white sneaker. So that is the reason I thought if anyone of you guys would like to have something like this, you can get it. So yes, that is very simple, very normal kind of a Reebok sneaker, and black and white colorway, versatile colorway. You can rock this with a lot of things, but still I feel it will be very tough to rock this one specifically, in my opinion. That is my thoughts. This sneaker fits true to size, decent in comfort. It has that memory foam in it, but still decent in comfort, not good as all of them. and priced at 1999 rupees, like almost 2000 rupees. So makes no sense at that price, but still, again, I'm just telling you guys that I want you guys to have options, and that is the reason this sneaker is on the list. Okay, I have got all the sneakers from the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. There are 50 to 80% off, like that is crazy on sneakers. So yes, if you want to check them out, go in the description. I have linked them in the description. You can go and check it out right now. And I believe best value for money sneaker is this, and then this. So if you want to try any of this, check the description. And I believe if you like this video, you guys will love this video as well. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.